Before joining the course, my understanding of the topic was that I would be learning about Agentic AI and that would be involve coding and be very technical. But after completing the training, I learned a lot about AI and its background and how to write multi-agent applications using vibe coding. And that was very nice. I'm now very confident in building these multi-agent applications and also to tell others about that. My overall experience with the training was very good and with the trainers was also very good. I would recommend AgileFever to developers who are interested in learning about this LLM stuff and how it can be integrated and utilized in own applications, because it is very technical and needs some understanding, but it is also very nice and then very easy to do if you have the understanding.